Hello lockpickers, I've just got in on my lunch break and there's a nice hefty parcel sitting here from the Crappy Lockpicker. Now I can tell you he's definitely not a crappy lockpicker, because if you head over and check his channel out, he's absolutely slaying challenge locks. So yeah, follow the link in the description below, go and check out the Crappy Lockpicker and show him some love. Without further ado, let's dive in here. See what he's sent us. Right. So, number 4, Manic Maxus, and this is Matt's Lockpick. Number 4, come on. It's not going to focus properly. I have no clue what's up with my phone. And these can be well tricky to pick without challenge pins in it. It's quite a nice little bit on that. Definitely have fun playing with that one. Right, what we got here? The Demon. Little Ruku. Pinned by Lockmania. That's cool. I have picked one of Lockmanias. I don't think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I haven't picked that one. So that'll be cool. Yale Vix Picks. Excellent. I've always wanted to pick a Vix pick. Nice one. So number 3 from Vix Picks. Sweet. Yeah, definitely looking forward to doing that one. No, he makes some real cool pins. And what we got here, a CCL. This way it's super smooth. Whoa, look at that. Nice highs and lows there. Denbrass. Wicked. His locks are always fun to pick up. Oh, I've got loads in here. So this is a Funky Monkey, I think. Yeah, Funky Monkey number 16. This is a cool old lock. Real smooth. Let's have a look at the key. Yeah. Nice highs at the back there. Well used, that one. And another Vix Picks, number 7. And an ICO. It's got some cool bitting on that as well. Looks super smooth. And lastly, one with no key. But we know that's a Chris Aaron's. Yeah, there we go, written on the back. So yeah, that's going to be cool. That's going to keep me busy for a while. So massive thank you to the Crappy Lockpicker, and we'll see how many people we can get over to you, watching your videos. Yeah, real top guy. Thank you very much, and I'll try and get a parcel together for you at some point. And yeah, we'll see you all soon. Hopefully picking some of these. Once again, buddy, thank you so much. Tatty bye.